Hey everyone, this is Keith with Environmental Mold, just giving you an update. I've just received a call from one of my clients. I'm actually at their house right now. They were having an issue with a musty odor. I was willing to, or actually I talked to him a little bit, figured it out, came over, and guess what? We found out the culprit. Boom, carpet. That's what the culprit is for this situation. But what I am offering right now is for a limited time, free consultation call with me for 15 minutes or so. You can book it wherever there's availability. It's on the next, just hit the link up above, side, down, wherever it is. And I'll be more than happy to jump on the call with you and help you out. Don't get ripped off in this industry. The indoor air quality is crazy. So if you have any weird smells, musty odors, you see mold, you think you have mold, you have allergies, it's allergy season again, give me a call. Be more than happy to help you, especially if you're in the Southern California area. But this is only for a limited time. So I would get and book your call now, and let's see if I can help you and at least help you so you don't get ripped off. All right? Thanks. Have a good day.